Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you some methods to fix Steam error disk write. The first thing you should do is try clear download cache. To do that, go to Steam in the upper left corner of the window. Then select Settings. Select Downloads. Now click on Clear Download Cache. Once done, re-download or re-update your game and see if the disk write error has been removed. If the error persists, go back Download Settings. Navigate to the download region. Then select other regions other than your own and restart Steam. Method 2. Disable third-party antivirus software. Your antivirus program can also be the culprit of this disk write error. You might need to temporarily disable it to test if the error disappears. After disable third-party antivirus software is complete, then run Steam as an administrator, then check if the disk write error has been removed. Method 3. Allow Steam through the Windows Defender firewall. Press Windows key then type firewall. Select Allow an app through Windows Firewall. As soon as you're inside the Allowed Apps menu, click on the Change Settings button. Go straight to the Allow Another app below the list and click on it. After that, click on Browser and find the location where the Steam is installed. After find the Steam executable, add it to the whitelist. Search inside the list of allowed apps for the two entries you added before and make sure that both the private and public checkboxes related to them are checked. Now just save the changes, then try to download the game again to see if the Steam disk write error still occurs. Method 4. Repair the Steam library folder. Open Steam, then click on Steam at the upper left corner of the screen. From the drop-down box, click on Settings. Navigate to the Downloads tab and click on Steam Library folder. Select the storage location where the game where Steam disk write error occurs is installed. Beside storage location, click on the three horizontal dots and select Repair folder. Method 5. Verify integrity of game files. Open Steam Library. Right-click on the game where Steam disk write error occurs and click on Properties. Click Local Files. Click Verify integrity of game files. Wait until the game cache verification finishes. Close the windows in Steam and exit Steam. Relaunch Steam, then download, update the game again and see if the problem has been fixed. Method 6. Create another directory or partition and try to download your game there. To do that, follow the video linked in the description. Finally, if none of the options work for you, the problem may be that your hard drive is failing. Check the health of the hard drive for an alternative to another hard drive.